We are Jewish and they say it is dangerous for us Jewish in Germany, so we moved to Holland. So Anne Frank is saying that she belongs to a Jewish family and some people believed that it's really dangerous for Jewish people to stay in Germany because it's a terrible place for Jewish people. And what they did, so Anne family immediately moved to Holland. So they moved to Holland. Fine. It's horrible. There are new German laws that say all the Jewish people need to wear a yellow star. So Anne Frank is just describing her life and their sufferings. Now she is saying it's totally horrible. It's totally terrible. It's really terrible that there are some new German laws as we are staying in Germany. So there are some new German laws that say all that Jewish people. The new German law says what? It says all Jewish people need to wear a yellow star. So जितने भी Jewish के लोग हैं उनको yellow star पहनना ज़रूरी है. Fine. We can only walk and not take public transport. तो जूइश पीपल का ये था कि वो लोग सिर्फ चल सकते थे, पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट की हेल्प नहीं ले सकते थे. वी कैन ओनली शॉप इन स्पेशल जूइश शॉप्स एंड गो टू ओनली जूइश स्कूल्स. सो जूइश पीपल के लिए कितनी सारी रिस्ट्रिक्शंस थी दैट अकॉर्डिंग टू न्यू जर्मन लॉज all the Jewish people required to wear a yellow star. Okay, the first thing is this. Secondly, they were only allowed to walk. They were not allowed to take any public transport. Thirdly, they can only shop in special Jewish shops. So उनके लिए special Jewish shops होती थी, तो वहीं से वो shopping कर सकते थे, purchasing कर सकते थे. This is the third point. And the fourth point is they could only go to Jewish schools. और Jewish लोगों के लिए एक special Jewish schools बने होते थे, वो वहीं जा सकते थे. उसके अलावा they were not allowed to go anywhere. We cannot go to theaters or be free. So Anne Frank is saying we were not allowed to go to theaters. We were not that free. हम लोग में इतनी restrictions थी, इतनी ज़्यादा boundations थे that we were not allowed to go anywhere. So she is describing her pains over here and she is saying according to new German laws that all the Jewish people need to wear a yellow star. So this is the first point. The second point is all the Jewish people could only walk and they were not allowed to take any public transport. Third point, they were only allowed to shop in special Jewish shops. Okay, they were allowed to go to only Jewish shops. Jewish shops अलग से स्पेशली Jewish people के लिए होती थी, उसके अलावा कोई और shops में वो जा ही नहीं सकते थे. They were not allowed. Okay, this was the fourth point. And go to only Jewish schools. और वो सिर्फ स्पेशल Jewish schools होते थे Jewish people के लिए, Jewish लोगों के लिए, वो वहीं जा सकते थे, Jewish school ही जाएंगे. उसके अलावा they were not allowed to go to any other school. So these were the restrictions that were really terrible for Anne Frank, because it's really terrible, like so many restrictions, so many foundations. Okay, so once again I am repeating, Anne Frank is saying according to new German laws all the Jewish people needed to wear a yellow star. Okay, this is the first point. Second point, they could only walk, they could not take the help of public transport. Third point, they could only shop in special Jewish shops. Fine, they could only shop in special Jewish shops. उसके अलावा उनको कहीं भी allowed नहीं था shopping करना. Fine. Fourth point says they were only allowed to go to Jewish schools, not any other school. Fine. All the Jewish people were allowed to go to Jewish schools only, not any other school. They were not allowed to go to any other school. सिवाय Jewish school के वो कहीं भी नहीं जा सकते थे. And now she is saying that they were not allowed to go to theaters. वो theaters नहीं देख सकते थे, films नहीं जा सकते थे, and they were not that much free.